Hello guys, so today we will learn how to use the tools of ImageJ software. So let's first open the ImageJ software. I have already opened, you can see. So it looks like this. So before we use these basic tools, first we will open an image. Click on the image, open, and choose a photo or any SEM image. So then it will open in a separate window instead of the ImageJ. So once you open the image or a photo, first you have to set the scale, which is very important, because if you don't set the scales, you will never be able to see the exact distance between these holes, or size of holes, or area of the holes, or anything else. So just click on the line tool. So once you left click, it's selected. Then press shift and then click here and drag the line. You must press the shift so that the line keeps straight. Okay, so then you have to click on the analyze and click on the set scale. Okay, so known distance we will insert it's 10, and the unit we will use is a micrometer, and then click OK. So now the length is already calibrated. So let's double check if it's correct or not. Just shift and then again draw a line, and let's see if it's exactly 10 micron or not. Click on analyze and measure. So here you can see the length is 10.105 micrometer. So why I called micrometer? Because we have chosen the unit micrometer. So it means this is correctly calibrated, or the scale is set. So let's close this, and now we can play with the basic tools. So this is a rectangular tool. So you can draw, just left click and you can draw, and after drawing you can analyze, like measure. So it measures the area actually under this rectangle. Okay, close it, don't save. Okay, and there are also other types of rectangles. If you right click, and you can see this is rectangle, rounded rectangle, rotated rectangle. You can choose any one. I have chosen the rectangle. So similarly there are also oval shape. You can right click, you can choose elliptical selection, brush tools, anything. So this is another tool which is called polygon, and similarly another tool is four-headed selections, and this is line tool. You can also right click to choose the segment line, forehead line, arrow tools, or anything else. This is angle tool. You can measure the angle. So let's try this. Click, it's selected. So we can choose first part, this one and this one. So let's see the angle between these two lines. Then go to analyze and measure. So the angle is 42.599 degree. So in this way we can measure the angle by selecting any kind of image or photo. So these are some other tools. Multiple points, you can also change to point tools, and this is other tools, and you can even type the text, choose the color, and there are many tools. Here you can also select this arrow and use some other functions as well. So today we learned how to use these basic tools of ImageJ, and in next video we will start moving towards the analyzing the image or their grain size. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave the comment.